Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram in few seconds. So you just have to click on the plus sign and choose any photos you like to upload. So I like to choose this one. So now clicking on the next. So here you can see the filters and choose music. So right after that, clicking on the next, and you can see here tag people. So you have to choose that, and you can see here invite collaborators. So this is the collaboration video. So now you have to collaborate with whom you want to do. So I'd like to click on the photos tricks. So here is the photo tricks I want to collaborate with. So yeah, so the notification will go to photo tricks that I want to collaborate with him or her. So in this way you can just collaborate on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents. Thank you.